Dr. Sanjay Kamble on behalf of Vocard Medical Team, Vocard Medical Connect, and the RSSDI TV 2021 brought to you by Vocard. I welcome you all. So today we have with us Dr. Minan Mohit Madam from Jaipur. Madam is a renowned diabetologist and endocrinologist. Welcome, Madam, to the show.
Thank you, Sanjay.
So today, Madam has a exciting topic that she would be presenting in the conference about the technologies in management of diabetes. So since now that we have already migrated from the physical platform to the Zoom platform, and from the Zoom now we are again back to the physical as well as the Zoom that we call as a hybrid. So I would like to ask Madam, how does the digital platform really help when it comes to diagnosis of diabetes and the management of diabetes?
सबसे पहले thank you so much for inviting me here. Digitalization of diabetes. Diabetes management, we've come a long way. We have learned a lot of new molecules, lot of new insulins, and I think this was the time of another leap. We have come a big way after winning a war against COVID-19. So after COVID-19 came the era of technology. We learned lot many new things, and this was the time when we updated our diabetes knowledge also. And we made a digital diabetology, or you can say we just got a digitalization of diabetes care. So far we were dealing with standalone glucometers, where we were having a device called a glucometer where we were monitoring blood glucose. Now we converted the smartphones into a glucometer. You all will agree that we all carry a glucometer. We don't all carry a glucometer, but we do all carry a smartphone. And smartphone, the technology has penetrated beyond urbanization. It is not only the urban population, but also the rural population who almost all carry a smartphone. And that was the time when we thought of converting our smartphones into a glucometer. So now we have a technology developed very much in India where we are using a smartphone dependent glucometers. So they are very small, tiny devices, battery less. Yes, you heard it right. They are not requiring any charging, no cells or battery required, very much made in India. A small device which comes with a CPIN USB based device which can be connected to all your Android phones or any device which is CPIN compatible, and that device is attached to your smartphone, and that device converts your blood glucose sample into electrode signals, and those electrode signals are analyzed and converted into a number, a figure that is displayed on your smartphone screens, and that becomes your blood glucose value. And the accuracy of these devices have been checked by ISO standards, and they give us accuracy of almost 95%. These devices have been approved by FDA. These devices have been certified by the EC, and the EC certification makes us almost perfect devices to go with. And the company, with this, the Health Arcs company, the Beto glucometers, which are almost now pocket friendly, coming and reaching to every doorstep in less than 1000 rupees. So that device is affordable by almost all our population. And we all agree, as Dr. Sanjay was talking about technology, that the number of users of internet has not multiplied in doubles but 10 times or maybe 20 times. So the internet usage has reached every doorstep. The mobile usage has reached every individual of India. So most of us are reaching out to our phones not only for calling but also for social media, for almost every internet usage. So we thought of using the phones also for glucometers or blood glucose analysis. So that was the step towards smartphone dependent glucometer devices. So, and it is not about a device alone. Beto is a comprehensive, patient-centered, complete diabetes care one-stop solution. It gives you nudging. You get repeated nudging when to check the blood glucose. If the sugars are high, you also get alerts that your sugars are high. You need to talk to your consultants. Even your sugar values are transferred to your relatives, to your doctors, and even your friends and family come to know that how high the sugars are or how low the sugars are. If you are facing a hypoglycemia, your family can reach out to you because they also know that you are having a hypoglycemia. So your values and your data is immediately transferred. You get repeated nudges that this is the time when you need to check your sugars, or you need a time, this is the time you need to eat something, or this is the time to take your medicines. So you get repeated nudges. At the same time, you can also get personalized diet coaching, the lifestyle management coaching. You can get your consultants over phone to talk to you. You can make video calls. Also, you can order your medicines online. You can get a prescription online. You can get your medicine refill at the same time. So, Beto is a concept, it's not just a device, it's a concept of a comprehensive diabetes care. It gives you a complete digitalization of diabetes. And we have papers presented in ADA, we have papers presented in ATTD, and we have papers presented in Asia ACPCon. We have papers almost accepted by most of the international bodies where the data speaks for us that yes, how this device and this concept has helped us in bringing down the number and the incidences of hypoglycemia, how these management of diabetes through digitalization has helped us in better patient care management, preventing the diabetes complications. So this is a complete transformation. COVID, yes, it was bad, but it also taught us many things. We did a war, we waged a war against COVID, but this war was won not against COVID alone, but also against some illiteracy, some ignorance, and we learned a lot many new things in technology, and we have come a far way.
Thank you, madam, for those views. That was really motivating. Looking at the technology, how it is advancing, definitely one day the technology would be improving as and when it would be becoming more smarter and smarter, and definitely that would be one fine day would come when the patient has to do nothing except he has to feed some numbers and everything is managed on its own. So thank you, ma'am, for your time. We really look forward to hear more about it in your topic, upcoming topic, which you would be discussing in the today's talk. Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you,
for your
Dr.
time.
Sanjay. Thank you so much.